Hi, this is a brief introduction to resources you can find at the library at Chesapeake College. So from the My Campus page, you're going to click on LRC Services. And this is a whole bunch of resources that we have available to you. But right now I'm going to concentrate on this center box. And these are all the different sources and print materials and that you can get through us. All right, so to start out, we have lots of databases. And if you click on that button, this gives you the list of everything that we do have. We have it separated by subject at the top. So all subjects is going to include pretty much anything. Credo is your encyclopedias, all different types of reference like that. We have newspapers, Google Scholar that we link out to, you name it, in all subjects. But we also have by particular subjects. So let's say we're going to go to history and biography. These are all going to be specific to that subject area. So feel free to look around in here and see what we do have in all of our databases. Another way that you can search our databases is through OneSearch. This search box will search pretty much all of those databases. There's some that it doesn't, but it hits an awful lot of them. So let's say I want to look for Leonardo da Vinci. I do my search. All right, like I said, this is searching all the databases, so you're going to get a ton of results. With that, I want you to pay attention to the left-hand side. If you are researching something that's science-related or needs to be very current, you'd want to move this slider to change the date range that it's going to search from. If you're looking for something historical, it doesn't matter, and you can keep it the way it is. The subject, this is a number of vocabulary that's assigned to these resources. I find this very useful, so I just looked for Leonardo da Vinci. But let's say I was interested in a particular painting, but I wasn't sure which one I was going to pick. I can go through here, I can click painting or a number of other options, and then it limits down my search and I'm going to get a better result set for what I'm looking for. Okay, so take advantage of that subject area to help with your search. The other thing I wanted to show you is if you click on the title to one of these articles, this is going to give you all the information you need for your citation. So you have the publication, the date, volume, issue number, and the page numbers. It'll also tell you which database it came from because it is searching so many. Also with your citation is you generally include an URL. You don't want to use the URL held up in the main link. You want to click this right here, permalink. Please don't forget this. This is the link that will take you back to this article, not the one in the URL address bar at the top. Okay, so make sure to use permalink. All right, so the other thing I wanted to show you as a quick tour is going back to the My Campus page. If you click on Catalog, this search box will actually show you anything that we have in our print collection. So again, if I search for Leonardo da Vinci, because a lot of times your classes will require you to have a print resource as part of your many sources you use, you'll see what we have directly in our collection here in the library. Okay, so you'll see we have a list of what we have here in the library itself. So if there is a book you wanted to check out, you would look right here for the call number, and that's the address of where you would find it within our stacks. If at any point you need help finding a book, just grab one of the librarians and we're happy to help you. You would want to check the availability to start just in case one of your fellow students has it checked out. As long as it says available, it should be up in the stacks. Okay, so you would want to search through here. Again, this also has the subjects with the different vocabulary that you can use. But I find that this is a much simpler database to search from, so I don't think you'll have to use this as often as you would with the OneSearch. All right, so going back to our LRC services page in My Campus, the other thing that we have here is a chat. If you have a question for us, you can chat in this box and we'll answer you in real time. And we also have a number of phone numbers here if you run into any questions. And lastly, when you are ready to cite your sources, you are welcome to use Noodle Tools. If you click on this little icon right here, it'll take you in. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you need help on how to use Noodle Tools, please ask, and I'm happy to help you. All right, thanks.